Hey, I'm back. What's up? Stu here. I'm at another trailhead to head out to Helmcken Falls. This is the Rim Trail, which is about an 8-kilometer loop, and it takes you around the backside of Helmcken Falls, so it's not quite as touristy as the main destination, which has a parking lot like right beside it. So I'm gonna head out. It's a bit of a journey, but I should be okay, and we'll get through this. Be right back. Got my bear spray. Got my knife, got some snacks. No, I'm not sponsored. I wish I was. And I got water, of course. So this is where I'm headed. Helmcken Falls South Rim Hiking Trail. There's some information here. Again, pause it if you're curious and want to read about it. Outhouse, best place to take a dump before you head out. And bear cache. Make sure you're bear aware. And now we should head on down the trail. I've said it once, I'll say it again. It's absolutely beautiful up here. I grew up in an amazing outdoors area. This is something you literally see in movies, you know, like it doesn't get much prettier as far as the outdoors goes than this. If you think there's someone better, I want to hear about it down below. This is also a good time to hit that subscribe button, and we'll continue doing more of these. I like the down parts. They're my favorite. Oh yeah. Hiking down is the way to go for us guys out of shape. Can't hiking be downhill both ways? That would be a beautiful thing. Looks like it's starting to open up a bit. This trail actually follows a river. So eventually we should come down to the river and kind of follow near it. You can see it opening up, and can actually kind of see the river through there, so shouldn't be too long and we should be able to see the river. Should have brought my fishing rod. I didn't know if this would come too close to the river or not, but we'll have to do that another time. Looks like I'm gonna have to put my high jump skills to the test. We got a real obstacle here. Even my short legs could make short work of that, baby. Oh boy, looks like we're coming up to our first water hazard. This is gonna be a real test of our balancing skills, folks. Oh. Can I do it? Oh. Safely navigated the first water obstacle. Still alive, still alive. My calves are feeling the burn a little bit, but still good. Maybe a quarter of the way. Holy, first good view of the river. It is flowing like crazy. A lot of rain this year. That river is flowing. Oh, love it. Love the sound, love the smell, love it all. What a view, hey? Wow. Just the flowing. So much flow. What a beautiful, beautiful hike so far. I'm really enjoying this. Sometimes the solitude is really nice too. Being by yourself and stuff. I'd like to take a moment just to stop right here and thank the sponsors of this video. So thank you very much to yeah, on that note, if you do want to sponsor me for anything, feel free to comment below or get a hold of me any way you see fit. Thank you. Second water obstacle, another bridge to cross. Oh, another success. We are actually on fire today. Another downfall. I'm so short I could probably just walk right under this. Yep, I'm just kidding. I totally had to duck and crawl my tubby butt under there. Oh, look, some mushrooms. 100% edible. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know shit about mushrooms. And if you don't know shit about mushrooms, don't ever eat them. You could die. Oh look, another funky mushroom. Anybody have any idea what kind that is? If you have any idea what kind of mushroom that is, leave a comment below. So I think this is it. Oh no, not quite. Holy shit. That is a long way down. Wow. We're right freaking here. There's a rainbow. Oh my god. Holy shit, that's a long way down. I know it's probably hard to hear because it's so loud. This waterfall is 500 feet. I'm at the top of a 500-foot waterfall. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let's keep going. Way off in the distance there, you can see where where the main tourist destination is for the falls. Right up there, there's a parking lot. You can drive right to it. This is actually insane. There's no railings. Absolutely nothing. Right there, the top of a 400 or 500-foot waterfall. Shit, this almost makes a person emotional. This is amazing. Holy, look at it down there. Actually just, wow, 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 wow. This was so worth the hike. Look at this, like, wow. Unbelievable. Holy shit. So I did work up a bit of a hunger, so I'm gonna try out one of these Clif Bars. This is a chocolate chip one. See how it tastes. If I can get into it. It looks like an absolute turd. You know what? Either I'm absolutely starving or that's pretty good. I think it's pretty darn good. So Clif Bar, if you're listening, feel free to send me cases and cases of these and I will gladly eat them for you. So I'm just gonna finish this off, rest my legs a little bit, have a drink, maybe have a pee. But what an amazing experience. Where else can you go and see waterfalls and views like this without a single soul around? Very few places are left like that anymore. It's pretty amazing. So yeah, 100% worth the trip. Like, this was, like I said, emotional. It's just so amazing. Dangerous though. I don't recommend bringing little kids here unless you have them on a literal leash. It is very high. There's no railings. It's pretty crazy. I am gonna head back shortly here. And I will probably see you when we get back to the vehicle, as long as I make it. It's a bit of a walk. Also, this only took me an hour. They said it would take me, no, it took me about 50 minutes. They said it would take me an hour and a half. So for all you naysayers out there, turns out I'm still the same athlete that I was when I was 16 and won those 2003 provincial softball MVP award. Yep. Of course, one last hill before I get to the vehicle, and I'm already completely exhausted. Oh boy. Come on, legs, don't fail me now. Kick it into 4 low, baby. I think that's the last hill. We should be back at the car anytime. And we have made it back. Don't mind the heavy breathing. A little out of shape. 8-kilometer hike in 2 hours is a bit much for this old timer. Gonna have to hit the gym in the off season here. So that's it for today. We made it. So it was a great trail. I highly recommend it. Took me just over 2 hours. That's including recording, had a snack, a drink, a pee, carried on. If you like what you see, I would greatly appreciate the like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, if you have any feedback, comments, questions, drop them down below. I love answering questions and talking to you guys in the comments. So stay safe, have fun, peace.